So, good day. I'm Mark Philip Benegas. So, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng 2D array program na 5 rows and 5 columns. And hahanapin nyo yung sum ng negative odd na value or ng element. And hahanapin nyo yung pinakalaki or largest na element each row. So, let's start. So, mag-start tayo ng constant int rows is equal to 5. And column equal to 5. So, nag-start tayo sa constant 8 kasi the array should have the constant 8. And magde-declare na natin to the array na rows and columns. Then yung int array rows and the columns. So, this 2 is contains 5 which is dineclare natin dito kanina sa constant 8. Then, let's input the 25 elements of yung values. So, out enter 25 values. Yung line. So, dahil to the array siya, rows and columns, so gagamit tayo ng nested loop. So, for int I is equal to 0. Then, the condition which is I less than the row and yung incrementation natin I plus plus. So, ba't tayo nag-I is equal to 0? Kasi yung initialize natin is it would start as a 0. Then, the condition is less than the rows which is the 5 kasi matatapos yung iteration natin pag umabot siya ng 5. So, bakit 5 nga ba? Kasi nag-start yung array natin sa 0. And then yung incrementation. Then next is the inside loop for same lang sa I and j is less than columns. Then j incrementation. So cin ing. So, ba't tayo nag-cin ing? So, kung ano yung value na that will be input sa ating array or iteration. So, test muna natin. Oh, HDI. So, test natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 25 values. So, nag-run siya. Then, let's move on to yung sum ng negative odds. So, gagamit ulit ng nested loop. So, bago yan, mag-int dot negative odds equals to 0. So, bakit nga ba equal 0? Kasi wala pa tayong na-add. Then, copy-paste na lang natin. Copy-paste na natin. So, dito is magko-condition na tayo. Gagamit tayo ng condition. So, if j is less than 0, and yung double ampersand natin array ij, so the modulus are divided to is not equal to 0. Then, curly bracket, total negative odd is plus not equal to the array I and j. So, array 1, so dito array I and j is less than 0, which is to check if yung number is lower than 0, which is yung mga negative. Ito yun. And gumamit tayo ng double ampersand or yung and natin, which is both condition must be true sa array ij modulus 2 or divided by 2 is not equal to 0. So, that try natin i-add, i-run. Semicolon. Try natin. So, maglalagay tayo ng mga negative. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, negative 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, the negative 6, negative 7, negative 9, 0. Wait. Di pa patatan na ano dito. Kaya which is the see out uh, new line the sum of negative odd numbers. Mm, the negative odd and then line. So, ganun natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, 3, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So, 13 siya. So, yung mga odd number is 1, 3, 1, 3, and 5 pa pala. So, 1, 4, 9, 10, 13. So, tama yung code natin. Then, after that, let's move on sa code natin na hanapin yung largest value each row. So, gagamit tayo ulit ng nested loop with condition. So, CI new line sum of ano, sabi ko, nangangapya kasi sa naka-code kayo. So, new line sa script. So, new line the largest element in each row. Then, mag-move tayo ulit. So, so iba yung loop natin. I mean, let's natin dito. Wait lang. So, for in I is equal to 0. Then, I is less than the rows and incrementation I plus plus. So, for ano, so maglalagay sa in largest is equal to I to ano, the 0 semicolon the inside loop for in is equal to 1. So, bakit 1 nga ba? So, mamaya i-explain ko. Then, J is less than columns and incrementation G plus plus. So, magko-condition na tayo. So, if array I and j is if I and j is great, so lambda largest number magko-condition na largest is equal to the array I and j. I and j. So, ba't tayo mag-array 1, 0 dito? So, kasi ba't 0? Para i-assume ng program ay mabasa niya na yung first element na ilalagay natin is sa row is yung largest. So, to assume na largest yung first na ilalagay natin, 0 yung array. Then, sa dito naman, at nag-1 tayo dito kasi yung 0 natin is nagamit natin kanina dito sa index na I. And sa condition natin, so yung condition is mag-check if yung current element is greater than the largest value. So kung largest nga ba, iraran niya. So kung hindi naman, dito, which is means na if yung 0 here, the index 0 and the index 1 is mababa, i-update. If bigger number is found, then i-replace ng value ng largest number natin. So, nagsisi out tayo sa may part na dito sa looping. See out. Row. So, integer plus 1. So, or I plus 1. Then, yung largest. And then, the end line. No. So, ilan natin. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, 10, 15. So, try natin yung largest number natin kanina na 0 and 1. 50, 20, 30, 40. So, mag-ano naman din yung negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So, titignan natin kung saan dito yung largest number sa mga negative. So, maglagay ko rin ng iba. Various number. So, yun. So, row 1, yung pinaka-largest is yung 5. Then sa row 2, which is the 50. And sa row 3 is the 1. So, 1 kasi is mas malapit siya sa 0. The largest the negative is, or yung mahaba yung number, or yung mataas na number, kasi yung pinakamabaw na negative number. Then, the row 40 is the 90. And sa row 5 is the 3, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6. So, yung sum ng negative natin, so i-check natin. So, the odd number are 1, 3, 5, and 13. So, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 3, 21 plus negative 1 is negative 22. So, this is the output. So, tapos na po yung activities and thank you for watching.